Click on the link below to get discount. Welcome aboard, everyone. We're thrilled to have you with us today as we embark on an exciting journey into the world of marine electronics. Today, we're diving deep into a standout piece of technology, the Furuno FR-10 color LCD marine radar display. Now picture this. You're out on the open water, feeling the wind in your hair, the sound of waves lapping against your boat, when suddenly the clouds start to gather ominously overhead. In moments like these, having reliable radar becomes absolutely crucial for safety and informed decision-making. It's like having a trusty companion by your side, giving you the confidence to navigate through the vast blue ocean. Ranked 47th among marine radar systems, the Furuno FR-10 is a compact powerhouse, measuring just 10 inches. But don't let its size fool you. This impressive little device delivers performance that rivals larger systems. Its vibrant LCD screen provides crystal-clear images, almost like a second set of eyes, helping you spot other vessels and potential hazards lurking beneath the surface. Isn't that reassuring? So, what exactly sets the Furuno FR-10 apart from the competition? One of its standout features is its exceptional target detection capabilities, which shine even in challenging weather conditions like heavy rain or thick fog. You know how unpredictable weather can be out on the water. It can change in an instant. The intuitive interface of the Furuno FR-10 makes it user-friendly, allowing you to focus on the breathtaking beauty around you. Whether you catch a glimpse of dolphins frolicking alongside your boat or take in a stunning sunset, while the radar does its job seamlessly in the background. One of the many benefits of the Furuno FR-10 is its compact size, which fits comfortably on just about any boat. This is particularly advantageous for smaller vessels that still require advanced technology without sacrificing precious space. Plus, it's built to last in demanding marine environments, ensuring you have a durable tool at your disposal for all your navigation needs. Now, speaking of numbers, you might be wondering about the sales rank of the Furuno FR-10. It currently sits at hashtag 485,807 in electronics, which might not sound impressive at first glance. However, in the realm of marine electronics, this little device truly stands out for its reliability and performance. You'll find users raving about its versatility and how it's become a worthy addition to their vessels. But how does it compare to other displays? And is it really as user-friendly as advertised? These are common questions for potential buyers. Many users have reported that the Furuno FR-10 is incredibly intuitive, even for those who are newcomers to boating. It provides the perfect blend of advanced features without overwhelming the user, making it accessible for everyone. Let me share a quick personal story to illustrate this. A friend of mine, who was a novice sailor, recently invested in a Furuno FR-10 after hearing my enthusiastic recommendation. After a few outings, he called me absolutely thrilled about his experiences. He described how the radar transformed his confidence on the water, especially when navigating through those foggy patches that used to terrify him. It was as if he had unlocked a new level in his sailing journey. So, if you find yourself in search of a marine radar display that combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features, look no further than the Furuno FR-10. With this tool at your fingertips, you'll be able to navigate with ease and confidence, transforming every journey into a memorable adventure. Before I wrap up, I'd love for you to ponder this. What does safety mean to you when you're out on the water? And how much confidence does having reliable equipment provide during those unforeseen situations? Thank you for joining me today. I hope this overview helps you consider the Furuno FR-10 for your next boating adventure. Remember, stay safe out there and happy sailing. Until next time, keep exploring and enjoying the incredible world around you. Click on the link below to get discount.